In 2001, the Cellular Genomics and the Human Genome Project create a draft of the human genome sequence. It is published by Science and Nature magazine. And did you also know that the Human Genome Project was a 13-year-long publicly funded project initiated in 1990 with the objective of determining the DNA sequence of the entire eukaryotic human genome within 15 years. In its early days, the Human Genome Project was met with skepticism by many people, including scientists and non-scientists alike. One prominent question was whether the huge cost of the project would outweigh the potential benefits. Today, however, the overwhelming success of the Human Genome Project is readily apparent. Not only did the completion of this project usher in a new era in medicine, but it also led to significant advances in the type of technology used to sequence DNA. And did you also know that the creation or the draft of the cellular genomics and the human genome project made us easier to understand the human genome, and also the human genome is a complete set of nucleic acid sequences for humans, encoded as DNA within 23 chromosomes, pairs in cell nuclei, in small DNA molecule found within individual mitochondria. These are usually treated separately as the nuclear genome and the mitochondrial genome. Para mas madali nating maintindihan, noong 2001 ay gumawa ang Celera Genomics and the Human Genome Project ng isang draft of the Human Genome Sequence, kung saan ngayon ito ay ang tinatawag na Human Genome. Ito yung complete set of nucleic acid. Tatandaan lagi natin yon, kung saan inabot ito ng 13-year-long publicly funded project. So, bago pa ito masimulan, ay kanila muna itong pinag-ipunan upang ito ay magawa ng successfully. At, ayun, isa rin ito sa mga naging a new era in medicine dahil ito ay isa sa mga popular na ginagamit pagdating sa agham. Dagdag kaalaman, ang human genome ay nahahati sa dalawa. Ito ay ang nuclear genome at ang mitochondrial genome.
Rice genome. Rice is a food staple for over 3 billion people. Scientists are using the data to create improved varieties of rice that grow in different environments and have desirable traits, such as pest resistance and increased nutritional value. Advances made with rice also may be applied to other important crop species such as wheat and corn. How many people have food staple in rice? Over 3 billion.
Ang Human Genome Project ay ang world's largest collaborative biological project. Ang goal ng proyektong ito ay ma-determine ang mga base pairs na bumubuo sa DNA at malaman ang location at sequence. Ang idea ng project na ito ay galing sa tatlong tao, Lubeck, dahil sa kanilang suportahan at ito ang mga simula ng mula sa United States, United Kingdom, France, Japan, at China ang mga scientists na bumubuo dito. Kaya tumaas ang project mula 3 billion to 5 billion dollars. Ang Department of Energy o DOE at National Institute of Health or NIH ang founder ng project na ito noong 19. Dahil nga maraming bansa ang nakikooperate sa field of genomics at major advances in computing technology, natapos nila ang rough draft noong Dahil sa patuloy na pagsisequence at pag-aral dito, humantong ito sa anunsyo na kumpletong genome noong 2003. Mas maaga ito ng 2 taon kaysa sa kanilang plano.
History of Biotechnology 2008. Japanese astronomers launched the first medical experiment module called Kibo to be used on the International Space Station. Kibo or ISS module. The Japanese experiment module, nicknamed Kibo means soap, the Japanese science module for the International Space Station, developed by JXA. It is the largest single ISS module and is attached to the Harmony module. Components. Kibo consists of 6 major elements: pressurized module, exposed facilities, experiment logistics module, Japanese experiment module remote manipulator system, NanoRacks CubeSat deployer, inter-orbit communication system. Pressurized module. The pressurized module is the core component connected to the port hatch of Harmony. Exposed facility. The exposed facility, also known as terrace, is located outside the port cone of the PM, which is equipped with an airlock. Experiment logistics module. The experiment logistics module includes 2 sections. The pressurized section, also called the JLP, Japanese Logistics Pressurized, is a pressurized addition to the PM. It is used as a storage facility, providing storage space for experiment payloads, samples, and spare items. The unpressurized or external section serves the EF as a storage and transportation module. GEM Remote Manipulator System, a 10 meters or 33 feet robotic arm mounted at the port cone of the PM. It is used for servicing the EF and for moving equipment to and from the EMS. NanoRacks CubeSat deployer, a device to deploy CubeSat into orbit from the International Space Station. Inter-orbit communication system. Kibo's inter-orbit communication system provides an independent intercommunication network between Kibo and the Tsukuba Space Center. Thank you. I am Rona Alsuasola, grade 9 from St. Thomas Aquinas. Pre-assessment. Number 1. What is the nickname of Japanese experiment module? Number 2.
we're going to talk about bionic limbs.
Zach Volter, a 31-year-old man, made history. He is the first person who climbed up the 103 flight stairs in Chicago